Hello there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will know how to use PPTO on Walmart app. 1. Open the Walmart app. Launch the Walmart app on your mobile device. Log in your associate credentials, Walmart One or your Walmart login. 2. Navigate to the My Schedule section. Once logged in, go to the My Schedule section. This is usually found in the Services or Me section depending on your version of the app. Here, you'll be able to view your schedule, shifts, and available PPTO. 3. Check PPTO balance. In the schedule section, you should see your available PPTO balance. This shows how many hours of paid personal time off you have available. If you are unsure about your balance, there may be a link or option that says View PPTO balance or similar. 4. Request PPTO. To request PPTO, look for an option like Request Time Off or Request PPTO within the app. Select the dates and times when you'd like to use your PPTO. Enter the required information like the date or time you are requesting off, and submit your request. 5. Confirm the request. Review your request and make sure everything looks correct before submitting it. Once you are satisfied, submit the request. If the request is approved, your schedule shifts will be updated to reflect your PPTO hours. 6. Check the status of your request. After submitting, you can check the status of your PPTO request by returning to the My Schedule section. It should show whether the request has been approved or denied. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!